Hello guys, as you know, Nouva 3.2 is finally launched, so I decided to start a series of videos in which we will be creating a fully local based AI assistant. In this series of videos, we will start from scratch, from just a QA assistant to a super AI assistant. So, as you know, Nouva 3.2 is launched in four variants: 1 billion, 3 billion, 11 billion, and 90 billion. So this model have some multi-model capabilities as well, which we will be discussing in the future videos. So keep in touch. So in this video, we will be using the Llama 3.2 3 billion parameters from Olama. So as we see, it has some tools calling capabilities as well. So in our future video of this series, we will be using the tool calling functionalities of this model as well. So you can use any of the model, but I will be using this model for the fully local based personal assistant. We will give in future videos we will give voice to this assistant, also give some tool calling functionalities, also code execution functionalities, and so on. So keep in touch. So let's get started. First of all, if you are new, so you should download the Olama. Just clicking this, and then you should download it for your operating system. After that, you have to copy this, as we are using this latest 3 billion. So you have to copy this, and then you have to open terminal, and then first check Olama is working. So you should download this. Okay, so I already download this. So I already downloaded this weights. So let's see. So I have these weights here. Okay, this one is 2 GB in size. Uh, it also come into 1 billion parameter model, but I will be using the 3 billion one. Okay, so after that, I will show you. First of all, I will show you the end product of this video. So after then we will jump into the code. Okay, so the end product will be like a bat file like this. When we click on it, it will open this terminal. As you see, so we name this personal assistant Nouva. Okay, Nouva. So this we are building this Nouva and give it all the functionalities for a totally local based in our upcoming videos. So keep in touch. Okay, so how it will work? In this video, we'll be creating a simple QA assistant, and we will also uh, give it memory to this assistant, so it will uh, memorize our conversation for this specific chat. Okay, so let's suppose I ask, what is AI? So this assistant give us a very detailed answer, C, and then I ask, write me a Python code. So it wrote us a fully Python code in which it created a function with name calculator, and it's fully functional. Okay, so now let's uh, ask from it what I asked previously. So it answer your first question was, what is AI? List me. So it lists me all the questions I asked. What is AI? And the second one, and the third one, and fourth one. Okay, so it also have the memory. Okay, for this specific chat. So now we saw the demo. So now let's jump to the code. As you see, we are using Olama and async client from it, and the host is the Olama. Uh, it is hosting on this port on default, And in your case, it may be a local host. Here you can mention local host, but I'm using the same network on the other device, so uh, it's the local IP for the device. Okay, and then I am using the Llama 3.2. You can specify the uh, 3 billion parameter. Okay, but in my case, it's working. And then the colors, like we saw here the green color, and then reset like this white color again. So this is a code for the green color, and then for the reset. And then after that, here is the uh, conversation history. Okay, so the conversation history will be stored in this list. Okay, after that, we have async function named chat, which takes parameter query, and then it should be a user query. And then here you see a conversation history that append a role. It's a user role, and the content, it will be a query from the user. Okay, after that, it's print assistant in green, if you see here. And then async from part in wet async client. Here's a host. Okay, and then chat with model this, and message conversation history, and it streams. Okay, so it streams will true. So it's print the uh, message or the conversation. Okay, word by word. After that, so in this step, we append the user conversation in the list as well. Okay, like append and the role of assistant. Okay, is a role of assistant. Then here's a main function. In main function, we first print welcome to a Nouva personal assistant, and then after that, here if we see, we didn't test one more thing. Like I'm done with the assistant, so I can just say bye or exit. So it will be exit. Okay. After that, then press enter, so it will be exit. After that, you see here's a while loop. In while loop, the it took query from the user, like you mean me, and then you should write your query, and then when press enter, so it will call this chat. So here you can see it here we have one check, like if a query is exit quit or why, so it will break this loop, and the assistant will off. After that, yeah, here is a if it's not, then if it's any other query from the user, so it will call this chat function and passing the query of the user. So in this video, this is just a simple uh, QA chatbot. We can say a chatbot, but we will modify it in our later videos to a fully functional personal assistant, and we first named it Luna, but when I search, it's already taken by someone else. So I modified the name to the uh, Nova. Okay, so I modified its name to Nova. So that's all for this video. So keep in touch. We will modify this chatbot in our upcoming video of this series. Thank you so much.